B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O, and Bingo was his name. Wash my hair, I wash my face, I wash my shoulders, wash my arms.
2.
I really love having baths. It's great to be clean. Splish, splash.
4.
I wash my legs, I wash my feet, I wash my toes, I wash my hands.
7.
Oh, nice and clean now. Let's repeat. I wash my hair, I wash my face, I wash my shoulders, wash my arms.
B. I really love having bath. It's great to be clean. Splish, splash.
I wash my legs, I wash my feet, I wash my toes, I wash my hands. Oh, nice!
So nice to be clean. I'm all clean now. Red. Once again.
I wash my hair, I wash my face, I wash my shoulders, wash my arms.
Do you love bathing? I love bathing. I love having baths.
I wash my legs, I wash my feet, I wash my toes, I wash my hands.
Yellow. E. F.
Your parents love you, they give what you need, they work hard for you to succeed.
Green.
They may not have much, but give anyway. Make sure you help when
8.
they need you one day. Johnny spent his money on things for himself. Then he got angry when his dad needed help. You didn't give me the best, you were poor. Now that
Blue.
I'm older, you're asking for more. Then Johnny saw a small boy selling some
J.
toys, not playing with all the girls and the boys. Johnny went to ask him, why don't you play? They boys said, my parents need my help this way. Johnny felt
Pink.
so sorry. The boy showed him how to care
K.
for his parents and not just himself. Johnny knew his duty was to show respect, love to his parents and give them the best.
Orange. M. N.
wants to, but one little piglet
12.
so sweet. She let the others breathe a squeak, squeak.
13.
14.
Squeak, squeak, squeak. Squeak, squeak, squeak. She let the others breathe a squeak, squeak, squeak.
O.
Three little parrots I once knew. One's skinny, one's fair, one's two. But one little parrot, he could talk. He let the others with a squawk, squawk, squawk. Squawk, squawk, squawk. Squawk, squawk, squawk. He let the others with a squawk, squawk, squawk. Two little kittens I once knew.
Brown.
One's skinny, one's fair, one's two. But one little kitten with eyes blue. Let the others with a meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow.
R.
Meow, meow, meow. She let the others with a meow, meow, meow. One little kid that I once knew had so many pets he had to. All the day long he'd laugh and play. If
Y.
he could hear them say quack, quack, quack. Squeak, squeak,
S.
squeak. Squawk, squawk, squawk.
T.
The meow meow he'd listen, he could hear them say quack, quack, quack. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Squawk, squawk, squawk. And the meow meow he'd listen, listen, he'd hear them say quack, quack, quack. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Squawk, squawk, squawk.
Black.
And the meow 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 listen, he could hear them say quack, quack.
U.
Squeak, squeak. Squawk, squawk.
V.
And the meow 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 listen, he could hear them say.
Magenta. W. X.
Once there was a kind old king, and he walked the land. His feet got tired, they were hurting, they felt really bad. With a ooh ooh here and a ow ow there, here a ooh, there a ow. His feet were so sore now. The kind old king's feet were hurting.
Sky blue.
They felt really bad.
Y.
Then the king had an idea. Let's cover up the roads with skins of cows and skins of deer. It's softer on our toes. With an ow out here and an ow out there, here and out there. Now our feet will feel so ow, 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 ow. People get the leather skins, go cover the roads.
Gray.
The people thought,
Z.
oh dear, so much work to do. A wise man then had an idea. We'll make leather shoes with the tiny strips. You don't need a lot everywhere you walk. With a nice and soft, nice and soft, nice and soft. People knew then what to do. Leather for their shoes.
Olive green.
Sometimes problems seem so big, you don't know what to do. B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O.